Alright, so today I'll be restoring this new 3DS that is really beat up and defective. I bought it from Japan for I don't know, 30-40 bucks. I did not pay a lot. And it basically didn't even work. But, yeah, it's really beat up. It didn't even work, but I charged it up. It was untested. Let's see. Oh, L is also... Yeah, I need to clean that. R also. Yeah, so I won't be able to replace those buttons because I haven't ordered the parts. And it's also Japanese, and it needs to be region changed. But today, I'll just be restoring the outside. Then I'll also make a video on region changing and modding it. So I have everything I need. I have a new, whatever this part is called, digitizer for it, because this one is really beat up. I have a new glass top lens because the plastic one is really beat up. I didn't really order a glass one, but they sent me a glass one. I'm not complaining, of course. A new bottom screen because, as you probably can tell, let me just boot this up. Yeah, I mean the screen has some marks. Can you see that? Maybe if I take up the brightness. Oh yeah, look at that. Even the touch is defective. Let me try to navigate this with these. Yeah, it's already on the brightest. Yeah, hopefully you can tell there are some white spots. It's not supposed to be like that. I can't sell it like that. I can't use it like that. So I'll be restoring it. Yeah, otherwise, I mean this, I'll probably replace this part too while I'm on it. And the top covers also, top and bottom, because they're really scratched up. I try to use magic eraser. Yeah, I know, magic eraser. I know many of you hate that, but it helped, but it did not solve the issue. I don't want to sell something like this, so I'll just fix it. So let me just get my trustworthy iFixit toolkit. All right, got that right here. Let's just start with disassembling. What should I start with? Let's start with the bottom screen. I think, yeah, I need to test that too. Let's just make sure that works. What is this? This is my SD card. What the hell is this? Did I do this? Yeah, I've had this console for like a year. I think I might have done that. I guess I didn't have the correct battery. If I would have known that, I would have ordered the right battery. But they're the same voltage, I'm guessing, so that's why I did that. Yeah, so let's just take everything out. But it's weird, it already has a... Wait, you know what? Let me see if it's modded. Because if it's modded, I would speed things up. I'm gonna hold start and power it on. No, it's not modded. Not modded. That's fine. Yeah. Not sure why I put a 16 gigabyte SD card in it, though. So, I've actually never disassembled a new 3DS. Believe it or not. Never. This is the first time. Or no, actually I did do it once. Sorry. It was because it was a... I had to fix the button, or this thing, whatever this thing's called. The D-pad thingy. Okay. Why do you not want to come off? It's probably connected on the other side. You can just take out all these screws. And under here, yeah, I guessed correctly, are two more screws. You know, you just see patterns in Nintendo's work and you just know. Exactly what they did, where things are. You just detect patterns. Pattern recognition. Okay, now let's see under here. Yeah, that's already disconnected. Oh, I remember that the SD card thing, it was a pain in the ass last time I did this. It was a pain in the ass. So, okay, the power button is actually up here. That's interesting. So, this looks very much like a new 3DS XL board, actually. So, where should I start? Pretty sure that works as it should. I guess I just need to get under the motherboard to be able to access the, to be able to put in the new board. So. I'll also clean this with IPA. Feels a little crusty. Yeah, this feels very much like a new 3DS XL because I've repaired plenty of those in my time. I'm talking like an old guy. Back in my days, I used to fix these new 3DS XLs like they were, I don't know, whatever they were. When actually I did it like a year ago. That was when I fixed so many consoles. Boom, that's out. Now it's just the motherboard. And I won't, or I'll just flip it. By the way, if you're following this as a tutorial or something, be really careful with these these. Do not put them up. You're just supposed to take the cable out. I did that mistake. I mangled them up and that broke them. I didn't break any consoles because I was lucky and had plenty of motherboards. But that could have ended my life. No, okay, not my life, but that could have cost me a lot of money. So I'm gonna take out the mic, take that out. Come on, boom. Take this out, boom. And this, boom. Then this, boom. And I won't touch these cables, the top screen ones, because they're a pain in the ass to deal with. So I'll just push them away. Let's see here, what else? Only 2 screws holding in the motherboard? Oh, yeah, actually. Answer is yes. Boom. That's everything. Let me just put a pillow under my feet so I can start feeling my feet again. There we go. So now I just need to take this assembly up, if I'm correct, like on the new 3DS line. Just get my finger under here. Or is there a clip here? What the hell? Okay. If some of you have done this, I might look stupid right now. Is there like a clip here that I'm missing out on? Oh, okay, so there was just a lot of glue. Okay, nice. So I pried this thing for nothing. Great. Okay, so that's the home button, I guess. And now what I need to do is disconnect this from the back. From the back? How the hell do I do that? There we go. Just did that. And now, I guess I need to assemble the screens. And I'll try to figure out how those are supposed to be. Oh, look at this. It has a frame. Mine does not come with a frame, so I'll just reuse this frame. I'll just basically take the, come on. This is the touch screen. Boom, remove the touch screen. And then remove the frame. Oh, this will be a pain in the ass to apply. I just know it. Oh, okay, it's glued on. Okay, that's good. That is so good. Boom. This is the new one. Now I just need to make sure that I apply it correctly. So, the old one looks like this. This is the front. So this is how it's supposed to be, right? Yes. But that means that it has to be applied like this. Because when that is like that, yes. And there we have the glue. Why does it look darker? Am I wrong? It looks a little darker. Wait, is there like a... Oh, there's another film, I think. Or is there? That I'm supposed to remove? I feel like it's much darker than the old one. Or the original one, I should say. But okay, let's compare this. Yeah. Why does it feel like that? Well, let me just make sure there's no... No, okay, I feel like it's supposed to be like that. Okay, now put this down here. Wait, no. I need to put this on first. Where are you? There you are. This thing. So, how were you supposed to be? No, you were supposed to be like... No. You were supposed to be like this. So wait. Yeah, okay, so like this, basically. Okay. Boom. 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 Are you bent? I think I just bent it. I might have bent it. Same shit. It worked. Great. Put this back. Boom. And then like that. Oh, wait. I messed up again. This has to be bent backwards. Wait. There we go. And then you have to be bent backwards. And then... Wait, how was it? Was it like this? Nah. I do not think so. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. Okay, now I just need to put in the power button. Or not the power button, the home button. Like, come on. Come on. Come on. I feel like this would have been easier if I just remove the motherboard. But what's done is done. And let's see here. Okay, let me just put this in my hands and make sure it fits. All right, so I just put in all the clips. I did take out the motherboard. Now let's just put it back in. Oof, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the screens. Yeah, this one is much darker. I'm not sure why, but hopefully it just works. Got this. Let's see here. What do I do now? Okay, yeah, let's just put in the motherboard once again. This is gonna be a little hard to get on camera, because the camera is right in front of my face. Let's see here. Come on. There we go. Boom. One clip in. Second clip should be easy. Come on. It was not easy. Boom. Okay, my legs are starting to cramp up again. Let's see here. So now I need to get this under here. Wait, where do I get this under here? Okay, let's try this. Put the microphone hole in, boom. Okay. Now let's, okay. Okay, this is much harder than I thought. I think I need to get another, or a new camera or something like that, so I can film from above, because this is way too hard. This is probably costing me a lot of viewers, which is not good. Okay, come on. Boom. And then take you. Come on. Come on there, buddy. And you need to bend into place like the original does. Come on. Oh, it's so weird to just bend it. Okay. Into place. I think it was supposed to go like that, right? There's no way it's supposed to go the other way, right? Okay, I think it's supposed to go the other way. There we go. I mean, it doesn't make shit easier, but it is how it is. So that's in. That's in. That's in. I think I now just need to make sure that everything or the bottom screen works. Touch 2. Because if those don't work, it's not worth assembling everything. But I guess I just need to assemble everything right now because the 3DS runs a check. It runs a check to make sure that all parts are there. Maybe not all parts, but like screens first of all and things like that. Hopefully it does not need the reader, the game reader, because if it doesn't, I'll be able to save some time. Okay, let's see here. Let's try to power it on now. I'm gonna just remove that. Now, the moment of truth. Oh yeah, right, I forgot, I'm stupid. The power thing is on here, on top. There we go. Silly me, right? Now, the moment of truth. It powers on. Oh, the bottom screen lit up. The top screen did not light up. Or it lit up, but it does not work. The bottom screen works. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, let me just try to reinsert the cables on the top screen. Hopefully I did not break it. Okay, so it turns out I put this connector upside down. Yeah. Oof. Big mistake, I know. Fine, let's continue. Hopefully that worked now. Hopefully that did not break it. So let me just re-plug in all of these cables and whatnot. Boom. Come on. Boom. Come on. Boom. 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 Now I need to put in you. Come on. The bottom screen. Come on. Is that in? That counts as in, I guess. That is in. And then you. And then I just need to test. Oh yeah, and one cable on the bottom too. Needs to be connected. That one, come on. There we go. And then I just need to connect you. Boom. I just need the power button. Hopefully this works, man. Because restoring this thing here in Norway, it goes for about $230. So now is like the question, will I lose $230 or will I be able to make about $150? Okay, where did I just put the battery? Where did I put the battery? There it is. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay, please say work now. Please. Please be a nice 3DS. Yes. But now the bottom screen does not work. Right. It does light up though. So, that's interesting. I'm guessing I did not put it in all the way. Let me retry that. I guess it's not in all the way. Let's see here. Is it really? Yep. It was not. But now it is. So now it should work. So I'm just gonna reassemble this entire thing, basically. Yeah, so that should have worked and everything should now work correctly. But I'm not done with the restoration. Now I'm just gonna replace this joystick cover. Gonna make this right. Take this out because yeah, that's really used. I'll get a new one. Now I'll also clean the joystick off camera. I'm just gonna clean the inside of that. Okay, let me just point the camera a little down. So now I have picked up, where did I put you? There you are. This thing. Gonna put this in. And then put this around it. This should be pretty hard to do. And it's not this time. Thank God, because sometimes it's really hard to deal with. And then I have this little thingy that I need to put on top. Oh, come on. There we go. Good enough. Now, let me just zoom in on the camera. Can I zoom in on the camera? Boom. Now what I'm basically gonna do, put in the joystick. And come on. Boom. Ah. Oh. So close. And come on. Come on. No! It came out again. Oh my God. Boom, boom. 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 And boom. That's good. Back to 1x. Now, gonna find this. I'm gonna put in the joystick just to get done with that. Now I just need to get done with the screws that I know where they're supposed to go, because for most of these screws I have no clue where they're supposed to go. Yeah, honesty is probably the most important thing, right? So at least I'm honest that I have no clue where they're supposed to go. Okay, come on. I need to put this down here. And then you here. Boom. Come on. There we go. Boom. Oh no. No, you were supposed to go under there. Okay, let me do this off camera. Okay, as you can see. Oh, come on. Focus, camera. Focus. iPhone 15 and can't even fucking focus. There we go. It's under here now. Put that in. Put this in. Boom. Boom. Now I just need to screw in these screws that are supposed to go around. What the hell is wrong with you? Okay, there's something wrong with my piece there. No clue what happened to it. There we go. One screw. Two screws. Three screws. Four. Those are done now. Now I just need to screw in these screws. Wait. Can I make sure in a way? Yeah, okay. So you one screw, and then I need to figure out what the second screw is. Where are you located, buddy? Right there. Boom. That's done. That's done. That's done. Is there anything else that I have forgotten now? Let's think here. Help me think. And the camera is not focusing once again. There we go. There we go. Let's think here. So now, I think what I'll do is to just get done with the hardest part. Note that I just said the hardest part, which is to or this might actually be the easiest part, now that I think of it. No, I don't think so. We'll see. Wait. Okay, let's just replug all the cables. Oh no, wait, I have to clean the R and L buttons. Yeah, let's do that off camera. Alright, so I just cleaned the buttons and have some big news. The motherboard killed itself. It killed itself. It does not work. So basically I'm guessing I put the power button upside down and it killed itself. Yeah. So I'll have to make a part 2. I don't have another motherboard, so I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.